filthy. Double A is where the excitement truly builds. Meet Brendan Beck, a former Stanford standout. He's dominating with a 0.93 ERA, 0.67 whip, and a jaw-dropping opponent batting average of .149. His command, impeccable. Only 3 walks in 19.1 innings. And don't sleep on Cam Schlittler, 1.23 ERA, 22 innings, and he's limiting hitters to a .171 average. If the Yankees need midseason rotation help, these two could be knocking soon. Also, showing promise, Trent Sellers and Bailey Dees, both punching out batters at over 11 per 9 innings. In High A,